Today we are discussing about substitution method. Substitution method, its introduction we already completed. What we are doing is just substituting the value. First we will write x in terms of y or y in terms of x. It's more convenient, we can write y in terms of x. We can start like that. So here we have two equations, a pair of linear equations we have. Based on that we are doing substitution method. So let's start our substitution method. Hope you are understood. I already introduced about substitution method. So today we are going to start our exercises. This is exercise 3.3 in our textbook. So first question. Here what is the question is x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. This is the first linear equation and this is the second linear equation. From these linear equations, what we have to do is we have to solve x and y and we should find out the values of x and y using the method substitution method. This is an algebraic form of solution, finding solution. So let's start. Here the first one is equation 1 and the second one is equation number 2. Let's name it as equation number 1 for the first one. I am writing here 1 and the second one we can write as 2. After giving the names, what we are doing, numbers, what we are doing is take the first one, that is x plus y equal to 14. After taking the first one, here we are doing take the first one and writing x plus y equal to 14. This is our first equation. From this equation we are writing y in terms of x, that we are doing y equal to 14 minus x. So from the first equation we can write what is y in terms of x. This is the main point that we have to do in our substitution method. Then once completed this step, what we are doing is substituting this value of y in our equation 2. What is equation 2? X minus y equal to 4. So substituting means first we are writing, here it is x, so we can write x itself, then after minus y. In this y's place what we are doing is we can just write 14 minus x instead of writing y. So x minus, in the place of y we will write 14 minus x. 14 minus x. When you are substituting you have to use bracket. Then it is equal to 4. So what we did till now is that first we took our two equation. First linear equation, second linear equation. After that we took the first equation again and from that first equation we wrote what is y in terms of x. And we make a rectangle here for noticing that value y equal to 14 minus x. Then after we are substituting this value in our equation 2. That I wrote here, x minus 14 minus x equal to 4. Now we are starting our method, changing the brackets and finding the numbers. So here x minus into 14 we can write minus 14, x minus 14 and minus into minus plus x equal to 4. So the next step, as we know, two x's are there. Here also sign is plus, here also sign is plus. So we can write it as 2x. So 2x minus 14 equal to 4. As I said before, what we need is we have to find what is x. So for find out x, first we write 2x equal to 4 minus 14 will go to the right side as plus 14. Now 4 plus 14 is 18. So you write here 18. So 2x is 18. So we know x is 9. So I am writing here x equal to 9. Means x is equal to 18 divided by 2, you will get 9. So these are the steps we did till now. Here from our equation, what we did till now is that from the two equation, a pair of linear equation, first we took the equation number 1, that I wrote again. Then from that first equation, I write y in terms of x, and I noted that one, y equal to 14 minus x. That is the main point in our solving method. Then after that, I substitute that value again in equation 2, x minus y equal to 4. The substitution done here. This substitution I did here, x minus 14 minus x equal to 4. Then you have to root brackets, that is must. Then changing the brackets using these steps. And at last we got the answer x equal to 9. Next what we are going to do is substituting that value in our equation. That we are going to do the next step. We can apply this value in our equation x. This equation we can give the value. So I am rubbing here. That x equal to 9, put x equal to 9 in equation 2. We can use any equation number 1 or equation number 2. That x equal to 9 we will apply in equation number 2. So x minus y equal to 4, that is a simple equation. So we can apply in that equation. X minus y equal to 4. X is 9. So 9 minus y equal to 4. So you will get a minus y equal to 4 minus 9, means minus 5. Here also negative will come, here also negative will, so both the negative will be cancelled and y will be 5. So your answer is y equal to 5. Now you got what is x and what is y. So here one more method we can do. If x is 9, directly we can apply in this point, y equal to 14 minus x. If you are applying in this, you will get y equal to 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 you will get exactly, it will be 5. So we got what is x, what is y. And at last we can conclude what is our solution. We can conclude that our solution is x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. X equal to 9, y equal to 5 is the solution. That's all about our answer, is the solution. So at last we are concluding x equal to 9 and y equal to 5, that is our solution. That's all about the substitution method. So simple to do. So everyone try to substitute the values like this and to do another exercises. Try well.